Riedel Communications has formed a strategic partnership with Racing Electronics, a premier provider of motorsport communication equipment in the United States, to deliver unparalleled communication solutions that enhance safety, efficiency, and performance for race operations, controls, teams, drivers, and fans alike. This collaboration brings together Riedel Communications' renowned expertise in advanced intercom technologies, including their pioneering Artist 1024 infrastructures and award-winning Bolero wireless intercom system, with Racing Electronics' extensive radio communications experience, wide range of U.S. market-specific tailored communication accessories, and its reputation as a legendary force in the country's motorsport industry. Based on the partnership, Riedel will open new North America motorsport competence centers in Racing Electronics facilities, building substantial staff and equipment resources to support both U.S. and visiting racing events.
CODEX, an X2X brand, has announced that Device Manager has been rebranded as CODEX Platform, highlighting its essential role in delivering codecs MXF HD workflows for ARRI RAW recordings made by all Alexa cameras. While the name has evolved, functionality and performance remain at the same high level. With CODEX Platform 8.0, which is beta version, a single MXF HD workflow for Alexa XT, Alexa SXT, Alexa LF, and Alexa 65, now sharing the same file format as Alexa Mini, Amira, Alexa Mini LF, Alexa 35, Alexa 35 Extreme, and Alexa 265. MXF HD is also easier to handle in post-production and, coupled with the expanded support for ARRI's Reveal color science, breathes new life into this groundbreaking family of cameras. The company emphasizes that the beta version can be used for workflow testing, evaluating suitability for future productions, and gathering user feedback, but it doesn't recommend using of beta versions on an active production.
Solid State Logic has released the new SSL Spring Verb plugin, expanding the company's verb collection, which already includes flex verb, gate verb, and plate verb. It brings the unmistakable vibe of classic Spring reverb into a DAW, combining authentic vintage hardware character with modern SSL control. Spring Verb offers the authentic tone and texture behind countless classic recordings, and is perfect for guitars, snares, vocals, keys, and synths. Spring Verb features include spring type and quantity, allowing to choose between 3 distinct types of spring tanks and access a range of tonal characters and decay behaviors. Spring tension and stereo width to change the reverb's character by adjusting the spring tension, and recreate a vintage sound through the width control. Spring tank, a visual recreation of what is found on the vintage hardware, that reacts to user settings, input and output section, drive and damp knobs, and more.
Tieline has released new codec firmware version 3.12.16 for Gateway and Gateway 4, supporting a range of highly anticipated new features. Major features in this release include support for unique default passwords, wrist, grouping tiling contacts, RTSP programs, EQ and dynamics on decodes in addition to inputs, Ember Plus logical GPIO support, USB Wi-Fi and USB LAN support for control, and more. The new release is a free upgrade for existing customers.
Ambient has introduced the Lockit BT, also known as Lockit Bluetooth. It provides the same functionality as a classic Lockit timecode and sync generator, but with several additional features, including a Bluetooth interface, remote control via Lockit Remote app available for free for iOS and Android, an ACN radar for monitoring and control of ACN devices in the app. Additionally, the Lockit BT provides full functionality to control settings on ACN receivers with firmware 8.04. Discontinued ACN devices like ACL204, Tiny Lockit, Lockit Slate Take 1 can still be monitored in the ACN radar.
Broadcast Devices Incorporated has announced the release of 2 passive audio switchers as part of its RAS200 series. The RAS2 8-channel stereo switcher and the RAS2 16-channel monaural switcher are suitable for radio and TV station environments. The switchers use relay-based passive signal paths that result in audio integrity supporting analog, AES-3 digital, and control signals. The devices are suitable for emergency alert system switching, with RS-232 command set support for Sage Digital Indec and Digital Alert Systems DASTEC AS systems. Both switchers come with redundant power supplies, channel naming via Windows-based software, and remote control interfaces via GPIO, RS-232 and 485, and LAN SNMP version 2.
If you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.